Question 1. Tetracycline are not administered with milk because. Answer C. Insoluble chelates is formed. Question 2. Tetracyclines are avoided during pregnancy because. Answer B. It may affect the bone growth of fetus. Question 3. Which of the following tetracycline can be used without dose adjustment in renal failure? Answer B. Doxycycline. Question 4. Chloramphenicol can cause. Answer D. Both B and C. Question 5. The drug of choice for treatment of typhoid fever is. Answer C. Chloramphenicol. Question 6. Which of the following is fourth generation cephalosporin? Answer C. Cefepime. Question 7. Bactericidal action of cephalosporin is due to. Answer C. Inhibit synthesis of bacterial cell wall. Question 8. DNA gyrase is inhibited by. Answer B. Nalidixic acid. Question 9. Antitubercular agent acts by inhibition DNA-dependent RNA polymerase. Answer B. Rifampicin. Question 10. The antitubercular agent associated with the side effect of optic neuritis is. Answer D. Ethambutol. Question 11. Antitubercular drug which can cause ototoxicity is. Answer A. Ethambutol. Question 12. To prevent INH-induced neurotoxicity. Answer A. Pyridoxine. Question 13. Which antibiotic imparts orange color to urine? Answer C. Rifampicin. Question 14. Which of the following drug does not cause liver toxicity? Answer A. Ethambutol. Question 15. Which drug is effective in psoriasis? Answer B. Tazarotene. Question 16. Dapsone is a medicine used in the treatment of. Answer B. Leprosy. Question 17. The term MDT, multi-drug therapy, is related to. Answer A. Leprosy. Question 18. Sporogony in malarial parasite occurs in. Answer D. Stomach wall of female Anopheles. Question 19. Vitamin B6 is given with isoniazid prophylactically to preventing. Answer C. Neurotoxicity. Question 20. Fungal antibiotics mainly act on. Answer B. Ergosterol. Question 21. Peripheral neuritis is a major side effect of DEAL. Answer B. Isoniazid. Question 22. Which of the following drugs is likely to damage the eighth cranial nerve when administered for a long period of time? Answer D. Streptomycin. Question 23. Sandfly is a causative agent of. Answer A. Kala-Azar. Question 24. Mode of action of mebendazole is. Answer D. Inhibiting microtubule synthesis. Question 25. Gynecomastia may be the possible side effects of one of the following drug. Answer A. Ketoconazole. Question 26. Amantadine is the drug used as. Answer B. Antiviral. Question 27. The drug inhibiting viral DNA synthesis? Answer D. Acyclovir. Question 28. Zidovudine, which is used in HIV-infected patient, is. Answer B. Nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor, NRTI. Question 29. Drug to kill viruses is. Answer D. None of these. Question 30. Amphotericin B acts on. Answer B. Fungal cell membrane. Question 31. Kala Azar is treated with. Answer A. Sodium stibogluconate. Question 32. Anti-HIV drug Saquinvir is. Answer C. Protease inhibitor. Question 33. Highly vestibulotoxic drug is. Answer B. Streptomycin. Question 34. Metronidazole can be used for. Answer C. Giardiasis. Question number 35 आपके लिए है. Question drug of choice for neurocysticercosis is. A. Praziquantel. B. Albendazole. C. Levomizole. D. Piperazine. इसका आंसर आ अपना स्कोर कमेंट बॉक्स में दे. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.